Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can upload your pictures on Pinterest. Let's get started. Open your Pinterest app, and there at the bottom in the middle, you can see this plus icon. Go ahead and click on it, and then click on Pin. Now you can choose any image that you want to upload. And once you've done that, go ahead and click on Next, which is at the top right corner. And once you've done that, you have to give it a title. And you can also add a description if you want. You can add the website as well. And you can also describe your pin's visual details. And once you are done here, go ahead and click on Next, which is at the top right corner. Now you have to either save it to your already existing board or you can create a new one. I'm going to create a new one. Here, you can also choose the one they have created for you, like stuffs to buy or places to visit, projects to try. And you can also add collaborator if there are any. And you can also keep this board secret. Once you're done here, just go ahead and click on Create, which is at the top right corner. And now your pin has been created or your photo has been uploaded to the Pinterest. In order to see that, you can just go ahead and click on your profile icon, which is at the bottom right corner. Just go ahead and click on Create It, and there you can see it. And in this way, you can easily upload your pictures on Pinterest. I hope the video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.